Malloy's in position, ready to breach. All right, the exit's ready to blow.
Sit down on your fucking butt. Sweet, buddy. Get the cameras.
I told you, you got nothing to worry about. I'm on it right now.
Hurry.
There's gonna be 20 guards on Malloy. Don't worry, boys. I got this.
Oh, baby.
Excuse me, miss, I'm trying to find someone that works here. Do you know anybody? You obviously don't. You're like a supermodel or something, or?
Sweet, buddy. No.
Shit, here we go with this again.
Swimsuit, runway, private stuff. Come on.
I swear to fucking Christ, man. Listen, you always do this, man. You're always like, oh no, I'll be the leader of the group. I'll be the leader of the group, and then you just end up with some just banging shit.
What time you get off at? You wanna do something later?
Yep, we lost him. So I'll just hang out here then? Yeah, that's cool.
So just like, you know, I'm just so fucking done. I'm done with this shit. What?
You're bad at this, dude. You're bad at this. Act like a hurricane, more like my son.
You better fucking trying, man. I'm sorry.
Pick it up! Cause my head does the plan in my hands, do the dough in my heart, keeps me moving and want to get through.
Have at her. Action.
You're bad at this, dude. You're bad at this. Act like a hurricane, more like my son. I think I saw a ball pit when we came in here. Like, was there a ball pit when we came in here? I'm supposed to be intimidated? Like, this is a joke. I'm just